and subscriber, welcome back to my channel. I want to say a big thank you to my day one subscriber and a special thank you to my first time viewers and subscriber. Thank you for being a part of my cooking channel. So basically today I Saturday, so you know I'm gonna do some soup today which is some crayfish soup with coconut milk. So me I gonna go at the market as usual, and you know me I gonna carry at the market. But in the meantime, we just there home. We just don't get ready. So you know we are go up on the road, you know. Me I go in a bashko. Me I go get some of them small bowl for me use like to play at the season in. And me I look on some baking tin and stuff like that. So you know the main thing we can't left out the mask, so you know what I mean? Cause the mask do save life, and we have to wear the mask if we want to live out this coronavirus thing. So as usual, me I wait on the taxi now. So when the taxi come, you know, say I left out now. So until then, peace out, guys. So we're reaching a Bashko. I tell us I want line to actually come in, but we basically get to come in. So me I go pick up some of the things them when me did say me go pick up for put the season in, and me I go look some baking tin, cause you know Christmas I come up now, so you know a whole heap of baking I go on and pick up some of the thing when me add the seasoning when me cook. But me only want 3 of them because like some did break, so that's why I pick up about 3 of them. Now look on some of the baking thing them. They still have Black Friday sale, so me a eye shopping and look if you see that what go on, then me can buy and stuff like that. So, but me still get the things that me want, guys, cause like me not really coming off it buy nothing big. It's just we just buy the stuff like that. But I think me want one wooden spoon, but I check and see if they have none, and then buy. So when I want some of them wooden spoon, but eventually I come in Bashko today and I see them, so I think I go buy 1 set of them too and stuff like that. So basically some of the stuff that I need for my channel, so I just get them. I go check on the igloo them as well, cause more one of the igloo for the channel, and I go to outdoor vlog and stuff. Cause as we say, I go start with some of the content them a river, beach, guys, you name it. So I check on the igloo them and just catch my spoon and my little cup them and go and then head to the market. So I look on the igloo them, and the price them not really bad, like 7,600 for them. And then can hold a lot of things. So I think I go cash and come out of the people them place. I go pay for me spoon and now head to the market. I go pick up some seasoning. So guys, basically we reach at the market now. I pick up some stuff. We do the cooking. So I pick up some okra. But I know the soup can't make without the okra. So I pick up the okra. So I turn the camera so you can see what I go on in the market again. But I know we have to support the local farmer them. I know my channel is all about cooking Jamaican food, so you know we have to represent We have to support, embrace the owner culture and for owner people them. Strictly fresh fruits and vegetables.
automatically seed.
I want half dozen of the Scotch bonnet pepper. Yeah. And we have ginger, everything. So, you know, when you come in at the market, you just have to just show you guys what go on in the market. So, you know, enough Jamaican they are foreign way. When they left Jamaica, they don't come back. So, my thing have to basically show you what go on in a full country. I pick up some paprikas when I want to use tomorrow to do my chicken and stuff like that. No man, I have video myself. So all the things I need to do today video and tomorrow video, I make sure I get them from now because I don't really want to come on the road too often with the coronavirus and things.
Hey, big man,
tell us something. Pumpkin, because you know the soup can't make without pumpkin.
Ginger. How come I come past red banana?
No, change this again.
I come check my brethren, I want two of the planting. So how much a finger for you planting, brother?
100 and 150.
Alright, so one piece of melon also, but them don't have no melon. So melon literally scarce right now. But I just want two of the right plant. Alright, give me two of the plant them there, brother.
I want 100 one or 200.
Yeah man, I want two of the $100 one, brother. Yeah, I want two of the decent one, you know, but give me no riff-raff, you know, brother.
$100 you have to give one. I get nothing. 100 and 150.
So guys, we finish the marking shopping, pick up the things that we want, and also I go up and see if I can finish up the vlog today and upload it on the channel. So catch you in the kitchen. I make it back home now. So I'm just sitting down for a little bit. So I catch up the fire now, but just done fab the pot, which is the outside of the pot. So I'm just wet up this fab, rub it on the outside of the pot. So when I cook on the wood fire, the pot don't really get black. So when I'm done cooking, I just use the Scotch Brite and some water and wash out about the blackness off of the pot, so my pot still maintain their original color and their shiny. So I'm using some okra, some Irish potato, some yellow yam, some carrot, which is 2, and a pound of pumpkin, and 4 cloves of garlic, and the crayfish is right here in some fresh water. So these are some of the stuff that I'm gonna use in my crayfish soup, but there's a lot of ground provision food can be added into the soup, but these are just some of what I like. Yes sir. So the pot a boil up and now I'm going to add in the pumpkin and the garlic. I get the pumpkin 5 to 10 minutes to go and cook before I add the crayfish. Because the pumpkin are the one we go get the soup a rich color where we are look for in the soup. We actually make it go and cook. Also cover up time. So I add in the crayfish them now. Then go and cook. Yeah man. Outdoor cooking of a buzz, guys. So there's a container, deliver great content to the channel. sure say wash them off in some clean water 2 times. Dip in the sewer go out. Crayfish are cooked. Pumpkin boil out now, so you see nice pretty color what the soup have already. So I put in the yellow yam now. The pot make them go and cook. Soup look rich already, and I'm not done putting in the food. Guys, me just add the yellow yam in the pot, so I make it cook for about 5 minutes before I add the rest of stuff in the pot, which is the Irish potato, the okra and the carrot. But in the meantime, I just go and reason with a little bit. Guys, I really love the outdoor cooking, trust me. Because me personally, I grew up and see my mother cook outdoor, as I just love the atmosphere of it. You know, trying to bring back some memories. Even though I'm still young, but I still remember a lot of it. So, but I can't wait to start explore with my channel some more, like start go river and a lot of other outdoor activity with the cooking and stuff like that. So, but in the meantime, I just go and vibe at my yard right now and cook out the door same way. So I go add in the rest of stuff, you know. Take all the pot cover. Adding the rest of stuff. You know what I mean? Coconut milk. And the soup. I use the coconut milk in my soup. And the coconut milk is optional, but I choose to add it in my soup, guys. So you know, so we can't make soup without dumpling neither, so we are adding some little spinners in the pot. Make them go and cook, otherwise make the pot go and simmer. Crayfish soup with coconut milk. You want to have a buzz. Maggi chicken no good then. Now the pot you know. So now I go just give it a stir it, because I don't want it to hitch in at the bottom of the soup and then start burn. So we give it a stir. Now add 1 green pepper. Now add some thyme, some scallion, and I add some pimento seed when I crack. And the pimento seed is an all-purpose spice. So actually everything you cook, or actually everything when me cook, me put in a hit. So I add flavor to the food. Soup smell good. Can't wait for this soup to be done today anymore. Trust me for that one. Guys, you can see that the sun kind of shine at the pot, so kind of hard to see the soup. But nevertheless it's looking real good. So the soup done. So I'm just giving you guys a look at the soup. You guys can see the crayfish, the pimento seed, but I'm gonna share out some now and care for my big sister, and then come back and share out my own, and then I hit that for today. Guys, this is my crayfish soup video with coconut milk, and you know what to do. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing as well.